Hi, welcome to the second episode of Seafood Connection, celebrating the bounty of the sea. For today's episode, we will make Kinilaw na isda. Kinilaw is a original Visayan dish and is derived from the word kilaw, which means raw or uncooked. The meat, normally a fish, is cooked without the application of heat, but rather cured in vinegar. For the first step, we will prepare the fish by cutting it into cubes. I'll be using tuna fish for this recipe. I have about 400 grams of tuna here. Okay, let's cut it into cubes, just like this. And then we can put them in a bowl. So like this. Sorry. Then sprinkle it with salt and pepper. Now we can pour the vinegar, about 1.5 cup of vinegar. Now we can mix together. Then set it aside and we will prepare the other ingredients. You can also refrigerate while we are preparing the other ingredients for the kilawin. So let's slice about 3 pieces of garlic. And let's add in our kilawin na isda. We also need a piece of ginger, a medium size of onion cut into small pieces, I will also add a slice of radish, so let's add about 2 pieces of chilies. I will also add 1 jalapenos. Now I want to add about a teaspoon of sugar. 3 stalk of spring onion, now I will add about half of the lemon, for the last ingredients, we will add the kakangata or the thick coconut cream. And we are almost done. Alright, so with the last step, we will refrigerate our kilawin for 30 minutes and serve it cool. It is very simple to make. This recipe normally served for casual gatherings, a popular pulutan or a food served during a casual drinking session. However, it is also make an excellent appetizer. So once again, my name is Liza Maanyo, and hope to see you again on my next episode of Seafood Connection, celebrating the bounty of the sea.